Welcome to Anatolia Kimya, your global partner in chemical raw material supply. With a strong logistics network and strategic partnerships, we connect manufacturers across Europe, the Middle East, Africa, and Asia. We serve diverse industries, from detergent and textile to mining, agriculture, and metal processing. Every shipment is customized, from packaging to documentation, to meet our clients' exact needs. At Anatolia Kimya, we don't just supply chemicals, we provide solutions. From sourcing to delivery, we manage every link of your chemical supply chain, efficiently and professionally. Anatolia Kimya, chemistry that connects industries. For any further questions, please feel free to contact our team, www.anatoliakimya.com. Export@anatoliakimya.com.